The second step in doing the butter knife after you've shaped it is to make the knife edge on this bottom edge right here, this edge right here. So what I'll do after you've shaped it, I will just kind of eyeball the center for you with a pencil mark. That pencil mark right there, if you can see it, is going to represent the edge of the butter knife. Now, what we want to do is we're going to use a spoke shave to shape the sides, and we don't want to take any more of this material off right here on the profile. We don't want to take any material off there. We want to get it skinnier along there, or thinner, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so in order to thin this edge along here, you're going to put it in a vise. And notice I'm sitting to the outside of the table, so I have room. And we're going to hold it so that most of this, the blade where we want to thin it, is sticking toward us. And there's the pencil mark that I made. Now, we're going to take the spoke shave, and so right now I'm laying the spoke shave right flat against the surface of the knife. And I'm just going to tilt it up on the bottom, up just a little bit. I don't want to do this or this, but just a little bit. It's kind of like, almost like that. So I'm flat against, and I'm coming up just a little bit like that. Like that, just like tick. Okay? For some reason, this is the hardest part for a lot of students. They want to do this, and that's too much. Just a little, we want it nice and thin, a nice fine edge. Okay? And so what you'll do is you'll put it on there like that and just do a couple shavings, maybe like 3. I'm going to flip to the other side and do 3. I'm going to do that again. Just ticking up just a little bit. You got to pay attention. I'm going to do the same thing over here, tick up a little bit. Now, you'll notice it's bending a little bit, so you want to be careful. Don't press too hard. You can break this, and it's happened before. You just gently, about the weight of the spoke shave plus a little hand pressure. Not too much. And you just keep going until you get to the line. When you get to when you kind of bring these both edges to the line, you're done. Stop working. Don't keep going. For some reason, people keep going and going. That's what we drew the line there for. It's almost done. And sometimes you might need to turn it around and go this way on this part a little bit. And I'm almost there. So it doesn't take too long.